In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to remove shirt in Jujutsu Shenanigans. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. If you have played Jujutsu Shenanigans long enough, you might have noticed that some players are able to take off their shirts. They will do an animation and using their arm, they will remove their shirt and throw it away to the side. Now, you might be curious how to do this, because if you back out of the game and you browse through all of the controls that are showcased here, you will notice that there is no button related to taking off your shirt. You will be able to do your combos, skills, dash, block, special, and so on, but like I said, there's no mention of removing your shirt. So do you have to do it on your avatar window, or is there a way to do it inside of the game? Well, you can do it inside of the game at any point. However, you will need a specific emote to do it. So the emote that you have to use is this one that I'm showing you on screen, Dragon. So this emote is a reference to Yakuza, and you will be able to use it as long as you have the emote. This will take off your shirt and you will be able to beat people up like a dragon. So it is a reference to Yakuza, more specifically to Kazuma. Now, as of today, there is no guaranteed way to get this emote. Basically, you will just have to keep rolling on emotes until you get this one eventually. You can purchase emotes if you go over to the shop, but like I said, the only way to get it is randomly. So go over to the shop and then choose to purchase an emote for either 250 bucks or 25 Robux. And as long as you purchase an emote, it has the chance of being the dragon emote. Once you get the dragon emote, all that you have to do afterwards is to equip it on your emote wheel, and you will be able to use it alongside the other emotes that you have. By using the dragon emote, you will be able to take off your shirt at any point, and then you will be able to play shirtless. I hope I was able to help you on how to remove shirt in Jujutsu Shenanigans. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.